all, welcome to another vlog. Keep watching. Today's breakfast is appam and chicken curry. Let's see how to make a soft and tasty appam, which is known as Palappam or Appam. To show how to make an appam, I am adding the previous day's clip as well, because as you all know, we need to make the appam batter first. So these are the previous day's clips. So yesterday morning I have soaked some rice in water. The rice which we are using to make this appam is available in market as Appam Rice. We need to soak it for 6 to 7 hours. Now almost 6 to 7 hours over and I am grinding it. Along with this 2 cups of rice, I am adding 1 cup of coconut as well. The quantity of coconut is always half of the quantity of rice. The consistency of appam batter will not be as thick as that of dosha. Make sure that you don't add too much water. If we add much water, then it will become too watery. Once it's grinded well, I am pouring half of this batter to a bowl, and to the rest I am adding 1 cup of cooked rice. I am adding sugar for 5 teaspoons. We can add yeast, 1/4 teaspoon, and cumin seeds powder also 1/4 teaspoon. Cumin seeds powder is optional. If you like the taste of it, you can add, and if you don't want, you can omit that. Batter is almost ready and I'm keeping it for fermentation for another 6 to 7 hours. So morning I have kept the rice for soaking, and at night I have grinded it, and then tomorrow morning only we will be making appam. While pouring batter, the flame should be high, and then you need to reduce it to medium, otherwise the appam will get burned very easily. We can keep the leftover batter in fridge. It's better to finish batter in 2-3 days even if we are keeping it in fridge. Here we can make flower appam as well. Means it will be in the shape of flowers.